Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. Great acoustic song. So a little tip with this one: throughout the song in sort of different ways, we're going to be using your thumb to pick the A string and your top E string, and your first and second fingers to pinch your B and your G. So we're going to start in a C chord, but we're going to take off finger 1, and with your right hand we're going to pinch the A string and then the G and the B with fingers 1 and 2, like we said before. And then we're going to hammer on finger 1 onto B1 into a C chord. Then we're going to take that finger straight back off and we're going to pick just that one string. Okay, I'd give that a few goes around first before you move on to the next part. Then we change into what's essentially a G chord, but we're only going to need fingers 2 and 3. So there's your full 4-finger G, taking off these two, so I'm left with my middle finger on the top string fret 3 and finger 3 on B3. Thumb is going to change to the top string, the two pinching fingers are going to stay on your B and your G. So now we have then individual strings for this part. We're going to stay in that chord, we're going to pick the B string and then the G. Okay, so the second part, bearing in mind we've got our capo on, we're going to go up to fret number 7 on the A string and number 8 on your B string. So that would be 9 and 10 if we think of it without the capo. And then we're going to pinch just like we did on the C chord. You pinch in your A string and then your second and third strings again. Then sticking with the same two fingers, finger 1 is going to go back to fret number 5, finger 3 to fret number 7, bit of a stretch. You can use your pinky here if you want, but I'm going to try and stick with my third finger. And then pinch in the same strings as the previous chord. And then staying in that shape, I'm going to pick those two individual strings just like we did earlier, the second string and the third string. And then we've got the first two bars. And then onto your third and fourth bar. Third bar the same as the first bar. Then we've got a little variation on bar 4. We go up to that same chord, A7 and B8. Going to pinch the whole lot. Then trying to stay in that shape, we're going to bring the pinky over to fret number 10. Bear in mind we've got the capo on, so it's really fret number 12. So we're going to play that individual note and then take it off, leaving free fret number 8. So all together. And you can hear there all the other strings are still ringing out throughout that. Then we're going to go back down to this D chord, which was 5 on your A string and then 7 on your B string. And we're going to pinch that chord just the same as usual. Variation this time, pinky is going to go on to fret number 8 to pick that note once and then take it off, leaving 7 free, and we pick that one. So bar number 4 all together. And then bars 5 and 6 just the same as the first two bars. So here's one more go round of the whole thing. So just take things really slow, take it a bar at a time. I wouldn't move on to the next bar until you feel really comfortable with the previous bar. So if you're doing bar 1, keep repeating and repeating and then bring in bar 2. Cheers for watching, guys. I hope that was helpful. Like and subscribe the channel, and I'll see you again next time.